Hey, what's up? I'm Sarah Ju, Tac City, and we're here at Airsoftcon at Evike, and it looks like there's a lot of airsoft gun connoisseurs. Let's go check it out.
Go twice and run. All right, 3, 5.
My loader is a near 1943 Normandy style paratrooper uniform.
Way cool. What's your name and where are you from again?
Edward Stuber. I'm from West Hollywood.
Got airsoft guns they're making as well as some really
It's Andy G with Tac City, and today we're at Evike Airsoftcon. We're going to go inside the store right now and see how massive this is and how many people are actually here getting great deals. I think it's going to be really cool. I'm super excited. Let's go.
They're baby tactical vests!
Oh!
Why do babies have to be tactical?
Yeah. What's your name and where are you from?
AK, and I'm from California. Mostly I go as the Grenadier, so I use the M320 attached to the SRC M8, and I just love these particular type of grenades that love the caps. These are actually my favorite. I actually have 12 of them.
Very cool. You having fun here at Evike today?
Always.
What's your name? Where are you from?
David, I'm from Lakewood.
Cool. And where do you play airsoft usually?
Tac City, Fullerton.
Awesome.
Right there.
There you go. Show us the love. Yeah.
So, did you get any goodies today from
I did. I got a box of awesomeness, which I don't have because it was an invite to the SOCOM 47. There seems to be a gray area, but the way it's online is that you're actually going to be invited to a class, and they're going to give it to you in pieces and teach you how to build it.
Awesome.
So you come, get a box of parts, and leave with a gun. So it's 100 times better than getting the gun.